Hey guys, happy Friday. Today we are continuing Operation Christmas Hallmark movie in the log home. That is my attempt today, and we will be styling the mantle. Many of these items you guys have seen, but I'm gonna place them together differently than I normally have in the past. And we'll see if I can make this look good for Christmas. Now, because I'm running short on time, I'm going to do things a little bit differently in this video, where less talking and more decorating. I think some of you will appreciate that. So let's get to it. So I've laid the base down. So I've got 2 towberries and a mirror center stage. And that's what it looks like. Now, I would like to add some big, bulky items that I typically would not even consider adding on my mantle. So I'm going in with the unexpected. Now remember, I'm going for the Operation Hallmark Christmas movie look and feel. So now is the time to go big and bold and festive. And I'm going in with this Christmas topiary. I don't even know what you call it. I found it at the at-home store. It was last year or the year before last. And this is something I would typically put on the front porch on either side of the door. Or I would place it on my hearth. One here, one over there. I'm going up on the mantle with these this year. And that's what it looks like so far. And I think I can get away with it because it's a large mantle and a large tall ceilings. Okay, now that I've got my items set, obviously have to go in with some garland. And I brought this from my other house because I love it so much. This garland from Walmart is thebomb.com. It's the 9-foot Sonoma cypress garland. I hate garland that is so stiff, it's hard to bend and play with. And I love these little pieces right here. It gives it a real, authentic, real looks. And it's got little pine cones in it. So I'm gonna place it up there, but I'm not gonna go all the way across. I'm thinking I wanna do something asymmetrical. I'm thinking I wanna take the garland off more on this side. So instead of doing a traditional garland all the way across or swagging it, I want to try something a little different. So this garland is really nice. I just opened it up. So you just unhook it and then take a moment just to fluff it all out. It fluffs out beautifully. I love this. If I can, I'm going to buy more because I love it that much and I need more. I bought some other Walmart garland. It was very pretty, but very stiff and hard to work with. And when I used it on my mantle last year, it was really hard to get it to go where I wanted it to because it was so stiff. This is just, it bends out and fluffs up beautifully. And it only takes but a few seconds too. Before we left yesterday, I was playing with my Christmas decor and I moved the furniture around and I put this around one of my mirrors just to kind of play and see what it would look like. Wait till you guys see how beautiful this garland is around a mirror. It is so beautiful. And I only needed 2 garlands too, and it looks amazing. All right. Let's get it up there. I left my tool bag at the other house. So I'm going in with a little nail and I'm gonna use a candlestick as my hammer. You gotta use what you have. Fun fact, if you go into wood, you can take sawdust and you just get it a little damp and push it down into the hole, let it dry, and then sand it. You don't even know there was a hole there. So I can afford to do this. See, and the nail acts as my anchor. So all you do is take one of these little branches, you just wrap it around the nail, and it is secured perfectly.
Sundown, come meet me at the sundown. So high, no one can make us slow down. Don't wanna lose it, what we got. Don't wanna lose.
Hey guys, I am really loving this look. And I want to challenge myself to do something different with the garland. Normally I would go all the way across, but I want to go in with lights. And then I kind of want to accentuate the garland with red berries and floral picks. Let's see where I go with this. Now, what I like to do with my lights is zigzag. So that's what I'm going to do right now.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you, you and me in the cold.
I love it. I think it looks beautiful. Now, I want to add red berries. Okay, I brought these red berries from my other house. I have two and a half boxes left, and I love these. I love the bright pop of red, and these are super duper good quality. You can bend them into place, and they look amazing. So I think I want my emphasis to be on this side as opposed to that side. So maybe lighter here and then fuller over there. At least that's what I'm thinking.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and be.
I certainly love the pops of red, and I love these because basically you just pull them apart. You can literally bend them and form them into shape, whichever direction you want it to go, and then aim it through the garland, and you're good to go.
Sing choirs of angels, sing in exaltation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore Him. Come, let us adore Him. Come, let us adore Him. Christ the Lord.
Okay, so I am absolutely loving the pops of red. I like the fact that this is different for me. I love to challenge myself. Now, what can I add? I think I might throw in some gold picks. supposed to kind of make this bend look a little more forward. Okay guys, I have this pick. I don't even remember where I got it, but I stuck one up here and I feel like it really gives it a pretty authentic look. I'm getting glitter and everything in my eye. But anyway, I have this. I'm getting a little crazy, but I love it. Should I put this in? Let's try it. So I may try and get my wire cutters and cut this because this is rather heavy and I feel like it's weighing down everything. So I feel like if I want to put in some of these little wispy pieces. I think it would look really pretty. Much better. So I cut these into pieces. You can get this, it was a garland at Hobby Lobby, and you can use it in your floral arrangements, and it's wonderful. So I'm gonna try to stick these in for a real wintry, rustic look. Now we're talking. I love the wispiness of those branches. It takes it next level. I have one more, so I'm gonna take my wire cutters and just give it a quick snip. These snip off really easily too. I had Mr. Nutcracker and I plugged in a tree in a basket right there. Excuse the cord, that's for my light ring. But I'm gonna set him beside the tree. So I think this turned out really pretty with the red berries and the twigs and the different greenery mixed throughout. And I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do to it, but I do like it. And over here in this corner, I have a little tree with a nutcracker.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up my video for today. It's so late in the afternoon and I've got to get this edited for you guys. So I'm gonna leave it here. Should I make some changes or add to it, you will be the first to know. But I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
It's the best time of the year.